Exercise 47. It's about a two-way frequency table. A botanist conducted a study on plant pollination preferences. Plants were grown in either acidic soil or alkaline one, and their pollination by bees from hives located in similar soil conditions was observed. So we have a two-way frequency table. Horizontally, we can see the plant group, B from acidic area, B from alkaline area. Then we have plant in acidic soil, plant in alkaline soil. The first and most important, if you ask me, aspect of these exercises is for you to understand what exactly you are looking at. We had a total of 50 plants. 18 of them were seeded in acidic soil, and we used bees from acidic area to pollinate them. 7 were seeded in acidic soil, but we used bees from alkaline area to pollinate them. In total, we had 25 plants in acidic soil, and so on for the second line. Now, let's see what is being asked. The table above shows the observed pollination frequencies among plants and bees from different soil conditions. What fraction of the observed pollinations involved a plant and bee from the same soil condition, from the same solid condition? This means that if we used bees from acidic area, then it should have been seeded in acidic soil. So 18. Or both from alkaline soils. So we had a total of 18 plus 19, which is 37, out of all 50. So the right answer here would have been 37 out of 50, which is D.